The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Hello, everyone. Right now, the storm that has officially been named Tropical Storm Ophelia is making its way into more and more of the U.S. proper. It's big, spirally shaped with all these clouds extending well out into the Atlantic, but not too far onshore. Once you get past the middle part of North Carolina, the eastern quarter of South Carolina, not a lot of cloud cover extending with that. Looking a little bit closer to home, we're starting to see on Saturday, or even really on Sunday. But Saturday is when the rain is mostly coming in. Today we've stayed largely dry. It's been hard for the showers to really make it all the way towards us. And even through 7 p.m., only little bits and pieces. It really takes until about 9, 10, 11 for us to see more consistent rainfall. That will continue to push further towards the north and west. As we get further into Saturday, consistent showers, but the worst of that rainfall, especially through North Carolina, but also staying off towards our east. And then after that, there are still bits and pieces in the afternoon, but it's not quite as consistent. Earlier, we were thinking there would kind of be a big round of rain that comes through between 2 and 7. I don't think it's quite that robust. There's a little bit more intense rainfall in that time frame than there is between, say, 9 a.m. and noon. But either way, it's not looking quite as much in terms of accumulation as what we were seeing earlier on. The worst accumulations do look like they're going to stay in North Carolina and towards the east in Virginia. For us, a lot of spots are getting up above 1 inches, but largely staying below 2. And then as you get further towards the north and west, it's less and less rainfall. Now, because we've stayed pretty dry, the flood risk is generally low for right now. We also have quite a bit of wind gusts that are going to come with this storm, especially on the first third of the time it's going to be affecting us. So tonight going into early tomorrow, peak winds are going to be mostly through Southside and Lynchburg with some gusts up towards 35, 40 miles per hour. As you get further towards the north and west of Roanoke, it's going to stay a lot lighter. Now, so look at the severe chances. It's fairly limited for today. A lot of times, if you've got a hurricane coming through, it can get this severe chance up towards a level 3 or 4 pretty quickly. But this is staying as a tropical storm, so it's a level 2 risk in the very southeastern corner of Virginia and the eastern parts of North Carolina. A level 1 risk on Saturday that doesn't even approach us. And then on Sunday, the storm risk is well off towards the west. So we are staying outside of any potential severe storms. Tornadoes are unlikely with this. For us, it's just going to be rain that could get some flash flood warnings tomorrow afternoon. Our temperatures overnight fall back down to the 50s with rain sticking around. Blacksburg at 54, Alta Vista at 57. And on Saturday, our temperatures are held down because of those clouds. Roanoke is at 66. But on Sunday, even though we still have clouds, we don't have the rain. That helps us get back into the 70s. On the extended forecast, temperatures are going to keep on climbing up through Monday. It's going to get us back into the mid to upper 70s. And then we stay pretty consistently in the 60s after that. I do have quite a few chances of showers that are going to linger on through a lot of next week, and that's going to help to keep those temperatures cooler. So it really is feeling like fall. Now, we do have a lot of high pressure after Ophelia gets taken care of. It's just some leftover moisture causing those showers. That high pressure will help next weekend look a little bit nicer, sunnier, and warmer.